Okay, good afternoon, students. Today we are with our new subject, that is English grammar. Okay, so in this lesson we are going to learn a new lesson in English grammar. Okay, so before starting, I will like to ask you, when we write the alphabets here and there, like in serial wise, when we write A, B, C, D, but when we write here and there the alphabets, first we write D, C, then A, then B, what it is called as? Yes, it is called as jumbled alphabets. What it is called as? Jumbled alphabets. So here in our lesson, the words will be jumbled. Means the words will be jumbled and given to you. The words will be here and there, but we have to make a new word out of it, right? Like here, you have everyone has heard this story. Which story is this? Yes, the thirsty crow. So here in this story, the words are given, but it is jumbled word. First word you can see WORC. So does WORC make any sense? Make any word? No, right? No, it does not make any word. Now second word you see WLEF. Does it make any word? No. So these are all jumble words given here. We have to arrange it and we have to make a meaningful word. What we have to make? We have to make a meaningful word. So here we can see, yes, here I have done for you, like WORC. We can write it, the exact word for it is, the proper word for it is crow. You can see the upper word CROW. So it will become, so जम्बल वर्ड को हम लोगों को सीरियल में लगा के उसको एक मीनिंगफुल वर्ड बनाना है, लाइक क्रो. इट बिकम्स क्रो. सेकेंड वर्ड WLEF, तो उससे कौन सा न्यू वर्ड बनेगा? FLEW, फ्ल्यू, राइट. थर्ड वन यू कैन सी RPDO. सो इससे न्यू वर्ड क्या बनेगा? मीन्स अवर एग्जैक्ट वर्ड. The upper one is jumble word. The answer black one is our answer. That is our proper word. So RPDO. Which word it makes? It makes drop. DROP, drop. Yeah, in this way, yeah, some jumble words are given and you have to write the proper word for it. Right? Understood? Now second you see. Yeah. What is this? Everyone had heard this poem, and everyone know the poem I am a teapot. Yes, I am a teapot, fat and shout. This is my handle and this is my spout. When the water boiling, hear me shout. Pick me up and pour me out. Everyone has heard this poem? Yes. So from this poem, the jumble words are given and we have to write the proper word for it. Like first word is TOPSU. So what the word will become for it? Yes. Now yes, SPOUT, spout, right? Now down you see KCIP. So what is the proper word for it? Yes, we can write pick, PICK, pick. In the same way, here you can see the words. Second one you see RETWA. The proper word for it is water. W उल्टा फुल्टा लिखा है, हम लोगों को इसको प्रॉपर वर्ड्स लिखना है, उसका प्रॉपर वर्ड्स लिखना है, राइट. सो WATER, water. In this way you have to do all the words, right? Understood how you have to do? The words are jumbled and you have to make a proper word for it and you have to write it. Okay, understood how you have to write it? Yes. Now next our topic is fun with words. What is our next topic? Fun with words. Here in this topic, yeah, you can see here 4 boxes are given, okay, and in the middle in the middle you have a proper word for it, right? Now up the rest words are given and in the middle one word is given. You have to use that one word and you have to make a meaningful word. Like first one is EAR, year, and the middle word is D. सो हम लोग को डी वर्ड यूज़ करके ऊपर के वर्ड में जॉइंट करके वी हैव टू मेक वन वर्ड. लाइक इफ़ वी ऐड डी टू द अपर वर्ड EAR, इट बिकम्स DEAR, डियर. बनता है न्यू वर्ड, राइट. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन, यर द वर्ड इज BREA. हम लोग को मिडल वाला वर्ड उसमें ज्वाइंट करना है. वी कैन ज्वाइंट इन द फ्रंट ऑल्सो एंड वी कैन ज्वाइंट एट द लास्ट ऑल्सो. इन फर्स्ट ऑल्सो वी कैन ज्वाइंट एंड एट द लास्ट ऑल्सो वी कैन ज्वाइंट अकॉर्डिंग टू द वर्ड. ओके, तो वर्ड को देखने के हिसाब से हम लोगों को वो वर्ड आगे या लास्ट में लगाना है. जैसे हम लोग पहले ने डियर में डी पहले लगाए थे. नाउ हियर यू कैन सी BREA is given. So D we have to join at the end, right? So what word it will become? BREAD, bread, right? Now down you can see D is given and IM is given. What the word will become? Yes, we will add D and we will write DIM, dim. Understood? Now here D is given and the word is STAN. तो हम लोग को ये डी वर्ड लास्ट में ज्वाइन करना है एंड व्हाट इट विल बिकम STAND, स्टैंड. अंडरस्टूड? सो इन द सेम वे यू हैव टू डू ऑल द 4. अंडरस्टूड? All the 4 you have to do it, right? 2 I have done for you and the rest you have to do it. Okay, see here, can see 2 I have done for you. Down N word is there and you have to write NIGHT, night, BORN, born. N आगे या लास्ट में you have to join and make a word. Understood? So 2 I have done for you, 2 you have to do it. Okay, will you do it? Yes. Okay, now here make 2 words with the letter given. Your words are given E, D and N. You have to make, using E, D and N, you have to make 2 words, right? Look here, D, E, N, den, and the other word I have made is E, N, D, and. Understood? So, like this, using the word you have to make 2 words, right? And the second and third also you have to do it. Now down, cut any one alphabet from each word to make a meaningful word, right? So here the word is given LESFT. तो हम लोग को क्या कट करना है? S कट करना है उसमें से and we have to make a new word that is LEFT, left. समझ में आया? Second word is BRIKGHT. So what we have to do? We have to cut the word K and you have to make a meaningful word that is BRIGHT, bright. Third one you see FLGOWER. So we have to cut G and we have to make a meaningful word that is FLOWER, flower. Understood? So in this way you have to do the next one. Everyone understood? Yes, thank you.